Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make an Excel chart with multiple columns. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to make an Excel chart with multiple columns. Now I am select my data. Click and drag on our mouse. Then we go to the insert menu. We can see here many options. Now I am select the column drop down menu. We can see here the column or bar chart. You can add the bar, otherwise you can add the column. Now I am select the clustered column chart. We can see the column chart have a multiple column. Here one column, another column or another. You can edit this chart easily. Select the chart. You can format this chart. Select this chart. Go to the chart design menu and we can see here many chart option. You can add any style of this chart. Now we can see here many design of this chart. Otherwise you can format this chart. Here the chart area you can add anything, chart title, horizontal axis, legend, plot area, vertical axis, etc. Now we can see we make a chart with multiple columns in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.